This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to go ahead and download and install TikTok on your iPhone. So you want to locate the App Store on your iPhone. It looks just like this little symbol. We can go all the way to the right now and we can go to the App Library and we can just type in App Store and we can open this up. So TikTok is probably going to be one of the suggested apps just because it's so popular. So you can look under like top downloads or something like that, top downloaded. We might be able to find on here, but if you can't find it, just go to search in the bottom right, and then you can just go to search and type in TikTok right here, and then we can just find it under here. So here's TikTok. We can go to download or install right here and open this up. So now I have TikTok on my iPhone. So you should be able to find it on here under your app library now, and we can just hold down on it, and I believe we can bring this to a certain location under here if we want. So we can bring it back to our home screen here, and we can put it somewhere on here, and we can just drop and drag it if we just hold down on it. So very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.